we're going to see Bitcoin at 125K by election day. And meme coins are about to take off. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Btc Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in this world. Oh, my goodness. It is always a good day in crypto. I have some very interesting news to go over, and I'm also going to be doing some searches for some trades in the latter part of the show. And if you're interested in trading, make sure you head over to bybit.dvincij15.com. Link is in the description below. Also, you can get some ID at rns.dvincij15.com. All right, let's start off with some next gen service here. Oh, damn, Orc, why you have to go and do that, man? Come back into this, and we were breaking out, and it looked like we were gonna go, and we came back. Ugh, darn. Well, that's okay. Orc will save the day. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Waffles still trying to hold the line here with Waffles. Pepe, ooh, holding another line here with Pepe, but that's okay. These meme coins will come back hard very soon. We'll talk about that in a second. This is the news for today, and what's the most interesting news is that the U.S. government wallet address compromised for $20 million. Damn. The crypto wallet belonging to the U.S. government were compromised for $20 million. Initially, the Bitfinex hack wallet received funds from AVE. Up to $20 million were moved to new addresses which had linked to DEX traders and was funded suspiciously by a MetaMask swapper. It turns out the activity was indeed an exploit, swapping and mixing the funds into suspicious addresses linked to money laundering. Arkham Intelligence tracked the token's movements and concluded the case was indeed an exploit. Ooh, wow. Wow. Well, it seems like they lost a lot of money. Not a huge lot. I mean, it was a rounding error on their balance sheet of the government, but still. Yeah. This is what's going to happen in the future when Bitcoin is money. Speaking of that, this is what I want to talk about. Bitcoin could be used as currency by 2030. And if the governments are using it as currency and they lose it, you can imagine what they're going to try to do, right? They're going to try to roadblock the blockchains and stuff like that. Yeah, so that could be a big problem, but this Bitcoin will survive that test, no problem. Bitcoin mining difficulty has surged over the past 3 years, increasing to 378% as an institutional investment and large-scale mining operations drove it higher. Yes, I would stay out of mining as an individual because corporations are in mining and they can print money to mine Bitcoin, and they don't have to gain more Bitcoin, they have to gain more dollars. There's a key there. They don't have to gain more Bitcoin than the dollars that they spent, they have to gain more dollars, right? And so effectively, mining is not good for anyone who wants to save and hold Bitcoin. You just might as well just buy it, because then you get the best value. Because in order to, if you spend one Bitcoin's worth on mining equipment and you actually go and mine, what's going to happen is you will not receive one Bitcoin back from your mining efforts. So don't do that. Okay. So institutionalized driving BTC stability. Yes. So once they stabilize it, of course, damn, that's it. And then when we have Bitcoin L2 and wrapped BTC, you can see Bitcoin is going to be money. Oof. Oh my God. Why is Ripple betting big on Kamala Harris and shocking everyone? Okay. So I'm not saying that Trump is good, but, Kamala Harris, right? That gives you an example of how evil XRP is, right? Do not support XRP. Do not hold XRP, right? Unless you want to support your demise, right? That's like, oh yeah, I'm going to bet on Hitler, right? I'm going to bet on the Federal Reserve. You're an idiot. don't do that. Don't bet on your own demise, right? With XRP and Ripple, all right? Ripple has thrown millions behind Kamala Harris. What is the real agenda here? Duh, right? She can set policies in order to ensure that XRP is successful. And since, she's going to want another term, if those policies work out for them, the more money she's going to get in her next term. It's a little simple as that. Meme coin search interests and market performance steals spotlight from Bitcoin. Meme coins have surged in popularity, outpacing Bitcoin in both search interest and market gains. But how long the trend will last is unclear. This is true. Meme coins are here to stay, so don't fade them, right? If you fade them, you're going to be like fading the NFT cycle in 2020, okay? That was dumb. I faded the NFT cycles because I just like meme coins, right? You're like, okay, I know that the meme coins are going to do well, or the NFTs back in the NFT days. I said I knew the NFTs are going to do well, but I just didn't know what to buy, and I didn't bother doing the work. Same with meme coins, right? You don't know what to buy, right? But this time, I'm actually doing the work. So, with that said, right, I'm doing the work to find good meme coins. So this is your meme coin channel. If you want to go and find decent meme coins that are going to last and do very well in this trend. Meme coins are dominating the news cycle over their significant volatility and growing influence in the crypto ecosystem. Meme coins search interest has been rising while search volume for the term Bitcoin on the Google dropped to 1-year lows. On a scale of 0 to 100, Bitcoin is currently at 33 search volume and meme coins at 77. There it is, dudes, man. So people are interested in meme coins because it is chance for them to do well in this crypto space because they missed it. All right, Standard Chartered predicts Bitcoin surge to 125K with the Trump win. Yes, that's probably what's going to happen. No guarantees, of course, but if we see Trump win, we're going to see an explosive move in the price of Bitcoin. And if we see it look like he's a shoo-in on the way to that, yeah, it's going to be explosive as well. So look out for that. So yeah, if you're interested in trading, we can do trading. Bybit.davincij15.com. That's where I do my trading. And so let's take a look at what we have here. Well, this trade is over and we're looking for a new one. And I was thinking that this was going to happen, that we were most likely going to go higher than we were going to go lower. But let's see. Let's take a look at see what the heat maps are saying. Went after the above liquidity rather than the lower liquidity because we're just too far away from that. So yeah, it made most sense. And so you can see that the upper liquidity is closer. So going to 69,000 is a target that it may go for before it goes lower. And if it goes for that target, it could explode higher above the 70K, right? But let's just see, right? It looks like it wants to do the 70K here. So yeah, let's take a look and see if we can find any other reason to take a trade to the 70K. Not feeling it. Probably should have gotten the entry here. Moved the entry up to here. But we're right in the no man's land, so I can't really make a trade here. And I don't see any kind of indication, right? Right, we've broken this trend, I guess. And there is no indication, let's go to an hourly, that we can use in conjunction with the heat maps. So yeah, we have to basically sit on our hands. And that's the way it is with trading, right? And I mean, you don't want to overtrade, right? You don't want to jump into a trade every single day just because you don't have one today. You have to wait until the market tells you to make a trade. And that is a sign of a good trader. is that they're waiting for the right trade entry. All right, looking at Ethereum's heat map, ooh, it's more juicy down than it is up. So yeah, so we could see some juicing of this lower level here before we go higher. So yeah, you can probably we could probably get a nice entry level. Let's see here on this wick here. A little bit weak, but still. Do you want to take a short here? I think it's a little too late for that. I think we should probably get an entry just a little bit underneath that wick for long. Let's use this wick here as our stop loss if it's under 4%, so we can't do that. Let's do the 2% right here and 2 to 1. There we go. Right back up here. Boom. That's the trade. Let's see if we get a fail and we don't get stopped out. There it is. That's the trade for Ethereum. Alrighty. With that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I did provide it to you, and we'll see you guys. I will be doing a video that's going to be posted maybe on Friday. I already did the video. That might be posted on the weekend. So, but I'll see you guys Monday. Cheers.